In case you didn't know or never heard of Mandaue foam, they are pretty much a Philippine version of Ikea. They've been around since the 70s and I believe originated from Cebu. They have showrooms all over the Philippines, but mostly in the major cities like the Metro Manila area. And we got one out here in Tagbilaran City. There's a couple in Iloilo, a couple in Negros, Cebu of course, and Leyte and Ormoc and all over Mindanao. They got this loyalty program going too, and it's actually very worth it. I got my membership card back in, 2019. I paid, I think 700 or 800 pesos for it. Never renewed it once, and I was still able to use it. At this moment, they were having a 30% off if you have their membership card. For this purchase, I probably saved around 20,000 pesos for everything that I bought. The daybed alone was half off if you're a member, from 18,000 pesos to 9,000 pesos. And then the chair with the ottoman, original price was 9,600 and I got it for 8,100. And the full mattress with it, the price was 9,900 and I got it for 7,900. So their discount is very good if you have that card, and it was only 700 for a one-time fee. Like I said, I've had it since 2019, never had to pay a renewal or anything like that, and it still works. By the way, a big shout out to a subscriber that I met while I was there. Totally forgot your name, but shout out to you and your wife from Danao Panglao, and I hope that you guys got what you were looking for. Right, so I finally got what I needed from Mandaue foam. It took me forever. I think during my checkout took about, 20-25 minutes just to do all this stuff, and paperwork was like so many. They wanted signature here, signature there, and it's yeah. But you gotta learn how to deal with that if you want to live out here in the Philippines, and patience is your best friend out here. So have a lot of patience and just go with the flow. The lady assured me this is gonna be ready. I bought this last, Tuesday, and today is Monday, about a week ago. And as she said, I said I'm gonna pick it up Saturday. I want it to be assembled. She's like, oh yeah, it'll be assembled by Saturday, sir. And My caretaker picked it up on Saturday, and then this is what we got. Totally unassembled. Finally done with the daybed, putting it together, and also the chairs. And then while I was at it, I just decided to rearrange the room, make it a little bit more open. I sold my old bed. A neighbor actually bought it, and I used the money to buy this one and the chair. So yeah, I really liked how this looked compared to the old one. I got a little bit more space. I probably started around 7:30, and it's already 3 o'clock. But yeah, Mandaue Foam totally pissed me off because she guaranteed me that they were gonna put this together. I mean, I like Mandaue Foam. I think they got a great selection. The quality is, I would say, much better than going to the BQ Mall or the ICM Mall. Pretty much in here is from Mandaue Foam. I would say 90%. The mirror is Mandaue Foam. This is from Mandaue Foam. All those mirrors too. The daybed, which I got recently. The rug. This coffee table from Mandaue Foam. Chair with the ottoman. This Mandaue Foam. Mandaue Foam. All these from Mandaue Foam. This desk, also from there. This chair and these chairs. And this planner. I do support them. I like going there. I think they got a lot of good selection. And I believe that they are better than most. However, they do need to get their act together regarding their customer service. Because I see a lot of their employees just chilling, sitting on the couch, on their phone. I'm not sure if they're on break or what. So hopefully they'll change their customer service for the better.